You know exactly what this looks like. You're lying there, illuminated by the glow of your screen, scrolling into your third hour of passive consumption. Your body feels completely locked in place. It is a strange paradox. You have massive ambitions, a book to write, a fitness goal to hit, a skill to master, yet your physical energy rests at absolute zero. So you tell yourself the most common lie: I will start tomorrow, and tomorrow never actually comes. While you appear idle, your mind is actually processing a chaotic stream of inputs from the screen, while simultaneously weighing the pressure of your unfinished goals. This internal noise creates a state of decision paralysis. Your brain isn't lazy, it is simply overloaded and lacks a single, clear direction to channel its energy. This paralysis is an error in your brain's biological software. It's a conflict between your desire for results and your ancient drive to conserve energy. This energy sequence can be manually overridden. To bypass that bug, we are going to use a 7-step action system. These steps are designed to do one thing: force you to initiate a task within the next 5 minutes. Before we go any further, you need a target. Pick one specific, difficult task you have been avoiding. Lock it in your mind right now. You will need it to complete this tutorial. Escaping the procrastination loop means we have to stop relying on motivation. Willpower is fleeting. We need to replace it with a rigid, non-negotiable system that does the heavy lifting for you. Step 1 is recognizing what you are fighting against. Your brain is a comfort-seeking machine. By default, it is wired to avoid pain, chase immediate pleasure, and conserve energy. Any task that is new or difficult is going to trigger natural biological resistance. Think about standing at the edge of a cold pool. The worst part is never the swimming. It is the hesitation right before you jump. Once you hit the water, your body adapts. Work is the exact same way. The only real barrier is the moment of initiation. This animated diagram illustrates step 2, protecting your willpower. Willpower is a highly limited resource. Every choice you make, no matter how small, drains this battery. Relying on it to force yourself into hard work inevitably leads to failure. The solution is to build environmental systems that bypass these daily decisions entirely. If you want to work out, lay your gym clothes out the night before. If you need to study, block the exact time slot on your calendar and remove your phone from the room. By removing choices from your environment, you guarantee your brain will automatically take the path of least resistance toward productive work. Step 3 is the toothbrush rule. You don't wake up and debate whether you have the motivation to brush your teeth. It is non-negotiable hygiene. You must shift your identity to treat your difficult tasks with that exact same status. You are simply someone who does the work. Step 4 gives you a tool to execute that identity, the 5-second countdown. When you feel the hesitation setting in, you forcefully interrupt your brain's overthinking loop. Count backward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. On the count of 1, your physical body must move. Stand up, open the laptop, pick up the pen. It acts as a manual override to your psychological hesitation. And once you move, apply step 5, the 2-minute rule. Make a deal with yourself that you only have to perform the first 120 seconds of the dreaded task. Write 1 sentence. Do 1 push-up. Lowering the threshold to just 2 minutes tricks your brain. It entirely bypasses the fear and fatigue associated with completing a massive, complex project. Action precedes motivation. By forcing those first 2 minutes, your brain and body sync up, creating a psychological momentum that makes quitting harder than continuing. Step 6 requires you to embrace discomfort. The pain of effort you feel when a task gets hard is the exact metric of your personal growth. Welcome that friction. It is the boundary line that separates you from everyone else who quits. Step 7 makes this sustainable. Implement a strict post-task reward protocol. Your brain loves dopamine hits like a coffee break or a television episode, but you must mandate that these only occur after the execution of your work. This neurological feedback loop shows why premature rewards are so dangerous. When you access high-reward dopamine without performing the work, you reinforce a habit of delay. Your brain learns to expect pleasure regardless of your output. Discomfort is the barrier to entry for any meaningful work. But a highly disciplined, delayed reward system is what makes crossing that barrier a repeatable habit. Motivation arrives at random and leaves just as quickly. Predictable progress only happens when action is driven by a system rather than a feeling. Your dreams are fragile sparks. Left alone, they will burn out. They require immediate physical action to act as kindling and ignite into a fire. So here is your final instruction. Close this video, count down from 5, and physically execute the first 2 minutes of the task you chose earlier. High achievers share one specific trait. They execute the next step immediately, regardless of how they feel. This single habit of non-negotiable action is what transforms a vague dream into a finished reality. Start now.